Hello and welcome to Ask Adam Savage. I am the titular host, Adam Savage. Titular just means as in the title. Okay. I've been taking your questions via Twitter, hashtag AskAdamSavage, or in the comments below here on Tested. And today's question comes from Callum Smith. What stools do you use in the shop? I find most are either uncomfortable, rigid, or unmovable. Yeah, this is a problem. It's a genuine problem. I'm a bit of a chair nut. I have a kind of a whole chair collection in here. Every chair in this shop has a story. I'm sitting on my favorite stool. This stool is made by E.F. Brewer Company out of Wisconsin. They make medical equipment. I picked this stool up at this point almost 20 years ago at a garage sale for $5. I'm a little ashamed of that price because it's an appallingly inexpensive price for such a beautiful thing. What is it that makes this stool in particular so excellent? One is, it is a stool made by a medical company for doctors. So they've really carefully considered a doctor's comfort. So the cushioning on the seat is terrific. And over 20 years, I haven't been able to damage this thing, which is a significant encomium in my shop. Two, its height is adjustable by spinning it, and that's really nice. I'm adjusting its height all the time depending on what I'm working on here in the shop. Three, and most importantly, casters. The free spinning of the casters of a rolling stool is so important, and a lot of casters don't end up lasting very long. Even 5 years. Like, they'll start to get rougher and they'll start to get a little tougher to roll, or they're not perfectly level, so they'll start to have a bias to one side or the other. This stool has never failed me. It is my favorite seat in this shop, and I sit on it every single day. I have bought other medical stools, and they have not lived up to my standards, or the amount of abuse, not my standards, just the amount of abuse that anything that comes into this shop will undergo in the course of normal operations. So, yeah, the long and the short of it is, this stool, E.F. Brewer, out of Wisconsin, I hope you can find one, and I hope it serves you as well as mine has served me. Excellent question. Please keep submitting your questions to Twitter and in the comments below, and I will keep answering them. See you next time.